Nice. Oh, dude, exactly. Like I shouldn't be telling you this, but I'm working on 2 150 kill videos. Yeah.
All right, let's go.
We gotta do the box. Here, I'm gonna go this way. This is usually where they put it. Yeah, it's usually this way. Oh, did I lose my mag?
I think you might need that.
Where's my mag? Did I not insert it?
I'm making sure it's on.
Got it. Let's go. Nope. Here.
It's right here.
Right here.
Yeah, right here.
Dude, you're so smart.
Right? That's usually where I like to keep it.
And it looks so tired, makes you know what you're doing.
Exactly. So if somebody wants to, yeah, exactly. If someone wants to stay in towers, that would be great.
I'll walk over here.
Thank you.
That's the only thing I haven't upgraded on my A. And that's the.
Going in?
Oh, pink. 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 Pushing. I'm pushing up. Surrender. All right, I see ya. I see ya. Pink. Ah! Hit! What was that? Oh man. Good man. What was that? You did. I had nothing loaded. Ha! There we go. Heard that. We got box. Good job. Alright, so box is over by the tower. As long as someone's up in tower, we should be able to defend it pretty well. That don't sound good. I got you, buddy. I got you. Ah, hit! Dead man. What's the tank at?
My air's out.
What's the tank at? Is there anything? That's empty, bro. Yeah, that's empty.
It's empty?
Yeah, that's empty. Okay. Good cover, guys. Good job. Good job. Is barn clear?
Right there.
Whoa! That was some good bounces, bro. Here, let me try. Nothing? No? Nice hit! Hit! That was fun. Yeah, they're pushing glass wall pretty hard. So that means, that probably means the right side's pretty much clear, I would assume. Hey, it's not a clear, dead man. Dude, that's what I get for talking too soon. Literally, I was like, as soon as I said, oh, there's nobody over here, surrender! Ah, head! Why is this on safety? Ah, nice shot, dude. Hey, you were next. This is next, bro. Woo. Dead man. Dead. Okay, good.
I'm assuming they're all over here.
There's one over on the right.
I got him.
Yeah, okay, gotcha. Pink. Nice, dude. Dude, sometimes my safety gets flicked on.
I cannot hear you.
Here, listen to this. That's why. Oh, like this kid. Oh, yeah. Oh, you got me? Nice. You got lucky. Woo! Good fight, guys. Nice. Good shootout. Hey.
Got up there. We have 2 towers.
Nice, dude. Surrender. Straight. Okay. Good job, fellas. Good job. Hey, head! Ah! Okay. Watch out, they're pushing pretty hard. Hit! I don't know if I got him. Hit! Oh man.
Oh, hit!
Yeah, they're everywhere. All right. Here. Surrender! Oh, nice shot, man. Oh.
Dead man. Dead man. Watch out.
Yeah, let's try this again. I don't think I see him.
I don't even think anybody's in there.
I don't think so either.
Hey, so you don't get people out like that? Bang, only surrender? Bang.
Have a go.
What? What are you doing now?
Where's the box? Did they get it? No?
Dead man. Dead man. Dead man.
Oh, nice. No, scared me. Bonus points for the scare, man. Pink. Nice. I'll take it. I'll trade you, bro. I'll trade you.
Oh man, I just turned away.
We traded.
I saw that really good guy on the right side.
Heard. All right.
Free fire so hard. This guy just
Heard.
Yo.
Ah, nice. Hey. Nice. Good hustle. Nice. I'm going to push up this way. Pink! gosh! Hey! Woo! Did I get you? Did I get you? No? You know,
You think you did?
oh, you got me. Yeah, definitely, dude. Holy crap! Hey, good shot, man. Shoot the can. Make sure you're shooting BBs. Shoot the can for me. All right, good. Good, good,
You get
good.
shot by the shotgun yet?
No, not yet.
Actually, here's your mother.
No, I don't. That's the thing. That's why I had to shoot it. 'Cause I didn't think you shot a BB. All right. It's all good. All good.